Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a free alternative for Midjourney to generate images. The first step is to go to bluewillow.ai and then click on Join the free beta. Then you will be redirected to the Discord. Here you have to accept the invite and enter the server. Everything here is similar to Midjourney's server. Now just click on any of these channels. Here you can see many peoples are creating beautiful AI images. Now just enter the command, \imagine, and press enter. Now type your prompt for the image. Wait for some time. And boom! Here you go, your image is generated. This AI uses the same API, which Midjourney uses, and because of that we have the similar output as Midjourney, but for free. You can create as many images as you want for free. Let's try asking ChatGPT for the prompt to generate an image. Here is our prompt. Now just copy this and paste it in our prompt section. And boom! Our image is generated. Look how detailed this image is. We can also create images in different aspect ratios. Let's try it. First, we have to write our prompt, and at the end of the prompt, we have to write this command. There are different commands for different aspect ratios. Here is our image is 2:3 aspect ratio. Until this AI image generator is free, you can create your own images and make money with them. So don't waste time and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.